This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
So hello, in this lesson we are gonna see what is file upload vulnerability. File upload vulnerability plays very important role when it comes to the security of web server. So file upload vulnerability are a major problem with the web-based applications, and in many web servers this vulnerability depends entirely on purpose that allows an attacker to upload a file hiding malicious code inside that can then be executed on the server. And an attacker might be able to put a phishing page into the website or deface the website. An attacker may reveal internal information of web server to others, and some chances to sensitive data might be informal by unauthorized people. And if we talk about DVWA, the web page allows users to upload an image the web page to through this program coding and check if the last character of the file is .jpg or jpeg or png before allowing the image get uploaded in the directory. So this is how file upload vulnerability it is, and in the upcoming videos we're going to see what is file upload vulnerability and how we can exploit it. Thank you. So hello, welcome back to another video of this course. So in this lesson we want to see how to just find out file upload vulnerability on a particular website and how to exploit it. So let's see here in our DVWA machine. So let's get to the upload section. So as you can see, this website allows us to upload something. So let's go to the browse, and I'm going to upload this bike photo and just press on upload. So as you can see here, so this is the path where this file is uploaded. So let's see it is uploaded on our server or not. Just copying this link and just paste it here. Just press enter. So as you can see, it is uploaded on our server. So let's get back here. So as you can see here, the code, in the code there is no filter is here. Okay, so you can upload anything. So I'm going to upload PHP cell here. PHP cell, how you can upload PHP cell here? So let's create a PHP cell here. So I'm going to use a tool named Weebly. So let's see how it works. Just click Weebly and it will show you how you can take use of this tool. So as you can see, error, runtime error. And if you want to generate new agent, that is new file, then you should use this command. Let's try this command, Weebly. Okay, generate, and you have to put password here. So I'm going to put 1234 and the path where you want to save the file. I want to save it on desktop and just name the file. Okay, and .php. Okay, PHP. Just press enter. So as you can see here, the file is saved on our desktop. So this is the file. So let's just back to our machine. Let's try to inject. Let's try to upload it. Desktop, and where is PHP cell? Open. So now click on upload and it is successfully uploaded. So if you want to see it is uploaded or not, just copy the path, just paste it here, and just press enter. So you can see here the blank screen. So let's try with Weebly, it is uploaded or not. So as you can see here, if you want to just make handshake with this Weebly, so this command you should use, Weebly, and you have to put the URL of the uploaded file. Control O, Control C. Let's paste it here, and the password 1234. Let's press enter. So as you can see here, you are connected with the file. Now you can do whatever you want to do here. So I'm going to use Linux command here. So let's see where I am. pwd. So I am currently in this directory. So let's see list. So these are the things which is in my desktop. So if you want to see, so these are the things that is showing here. So now let's see the ID. Now let's see the uname. So that is Linux Metasploitable machine. If you want any kind of help from Weebly, just press help and press enter. So these many commands you can use. So this is how you can exploit the vulnerability. So thank you. Sure. On the last video, we have managed to upload our PHP shell here. So now let's try by increasing the security. So it is medium and just submit. So as you can see here, we just made the security to medium, and let's try to upload that particular shell here. Okay. So where the cells, here it is, and just open and just click on upload. So it is showing me that header already sent. So it is showing me the warning, and it is asking me to upload image. So let's try to upload image, that it is taking image or not. Let's see. Just enter, upload. So yes, it is accepting image. So let's try some black box methods. So first of all, we have to see the source code. If it is available, then it's your luck. If it is not, then you can use black box texting. So as you can see here, it is just allowing us to upload only image, JPG, JPEG type files. So let's try. So first of all, we have to see which kind of request it is. It is post based request. So we have to open our burp suite so that we can intercept the request, and then we will modify it later on. Just click on the burp suite. So it is opening. So as you can see here, it will take some time to just open. So before doing this, so as you can see here, it is not taking .php. So we have to make some changes here. Now we have to just rename it. So JPG, and press enter. So it is now JPG file. Okay. So now let's get back to our machine, and burp suite is opening, and it's just in front of us. Start burp. Okay. So before starting it, just make it to close, just make it to manual. Okay, understand, and then get back to our burp suite. So as you can see here, it is just starting up. This is very powerful tool. So just go to proxy, intercept is on, and let's upload the file again. Here is desktop, cell.jpg, press enter. So it is intercepted our request. So as you can see here, so this is our cell.jpg, and let's try to make some changes here. I will name it cell.2 because in the last we have loaded. So as you can see here, content type, only these two things can be acceptable here. Okay, so I will change it to PHP. Let's see how it's gonna work. Forward the request. Let's see it is uploaded or not. Voila, it is uploaded. So this is how you can upload any particular file on a particular website. If it is filtering something, so you can use this kind of technique. It depends upon your mind and your creativity. Okay, so now this is all for this video. And one more thing, if you want to just start contacting with this, if you want to just contacting with the server, so you have to see it forward. Okay, let's copy the URL and let's open Weebly, paste the URL here, and just password 1234, press enter. So you can see where our Weebly is started. So now you can do whatever you want to do. You can just run any Linux command here. So this is what I want to try to teach you. Thank you.